kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nano wa kwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Nibanya, Anamikeelonu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. And you're tuned into another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluid, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Tamara for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Tamara to describe herself, and one of the things that she said was she wanted to help people and support them through communication and things like that. So I'm gonna give Tamara the name Nkolika. Come on, say that with me. Nkolika. Good. So I'm gonna translate that name for you, Nkolika. So Nkoli kind of comes from the word like iko. Iko means to talk, to communicate, to speak to someone. So Nkoli means like, you know, talking, conversation and things like that. And ka, which you've probably seen in other videos that I've made, ka means like it's better or greater than or it's the best. So when you put those two together, you get Nkolika. Nkolika means basically talking or communicating is the best. Talking or communicating is, you know, a great way to build community. It's better than having disagreements or misunderstandings or anything like that. Talking things out is always the best solution. So, Nkolika, or you probably heard the short version of that name more often, Nkoli. So, Nkoli's names give them the power to be great networkers, awesome communicators, some of the most helpful friends that you'll ever have, and very well informed. So, Nkoli, aka Nkolika, what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation correct? Let me know in the comment section below. Like this video and share it with all the Nkolis that you know. Please subscribe to this channel and make sure that you hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Yeah, so if you want your very own Igbo name, hit me up on my Instagram DM and I'll gift you one. If you have your own Igbo name, if you're Igbo, let me know and I can feature your Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day. Alright, thanks a lot guys, take care. I will see you in the next video.